Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this small video as a weekly recap for the last week ending on March 25th, 26th I guess, right? March 26th was Friday. All right, so let's get started here. This is the first trade, pound franc, 20-minute chart on the 22nd when the week started on Monday. 22nd March, and this is my sell order SL move to break even, and here it goes down for 70 pip. And on the same day, this was a big one here, 150 pip because of the newsy news, very bad, and newsy got very, very weak, and this is what happened. Euro newsy and all the other pound newsy and this and that. So buy order here, SL move to break even, and you can see it's 150 pip straight line. The next day on the 23rd, pound yen, sell order by the book, not nice little short setup, and 90 pip from here to here. And it was here more, but when it went up, I closed it, and I had another trade, but I forgot to save the chart. I closed the trade without saving the chart. And this is a euro yen sell again here, sell order, and for 100 pip. Right, so pound yen and euro yen both went down because of yen strength. I'll show you the chart later on. And euro Aussie, pound Aussie, they went up. So and I'll show you the reason for that. Euro USD also it dropped because USD strength, and euro is all along weak. So on the 23rd, this is what it is. Sell order, that's 100 pip. I had few trades, but nice and big, so no complaint. And then this is the last one. Right, so I had only 6 trades this week. And pound Aussie, a buy order here, and nice and clean, more than 100 pip here. That was the target, 81.37. And by the way, this week I'm hoping that this pair will go up above 81.37. We're gonna break this level because Aussies keep getting weaker. The reason that I went long Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie because of, let me show you this chart. I made this on the 18th Aussie index 40-minute. That is gonna drop here. And so far, what happened is it went down, right? So this much, and then more to come, maybe this week. So this Aussie index going down means Aussie is getting weaker, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, whether you're Aussie on the right hand side will go up, and your Aussie yen, Aussie USD, and Aussie CAD, those will go down, right? So they did, right? Aussie CAD, Aussie USD, and AJ, they went down, and EA and GA went up. EA, I closed the trade without saving it, so I can't show it to you. But GA, you just saw more than 100 pip. That's what happens. And then GJ and EJ, right? Your pound yen and euro yen went down because of this chart. Let me show you. Here, see that? So yen index is just the opposite. Yen index, when it's dropping, this yen is getting strong. And when what happened? Yen is always on the right hand side. So when yen is getting strong, all pair will go down, right? So I said this will send all yen pairs down, and that's why I had. And what happened to this chart, by the way, is this. As you can see here, it came down here, hit the target, and then start bouncing. It's going for wave 5. So now yen is getting weaker. This week, yen pairs will turn to the upside again, and Aussie keep getting weaker. So Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, they will be going up again. And all the other Aussie, like Aussie CAD, Aussie yen, Aussie USD, they will be going down. So I will be looking for those short setups and long setup in Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. I have the alarm, by the way, so when the setup is ready, the alarm beeps and I take the trade. Simple as that. And the SL is always 25 pip. From 20-minute chart, you see all those trades. As soon as the reversal candle happen in one blue or red candle, I open the trade, and SL is always 25 pip, 24, 25, something like that. All right, so this is how I ended up last week, and I actually forgot to make the weekly recap video for the week before the last week. So I may make it after this video tonight. Okay. And then like I said, that this week I'm expecting yen again getting weaker and all yen pair going up, and Aussie will also get weaker. So Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie up, others go down. Let's see what happens. I'll take the trades and I'll show it to you. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.